Hey Team Grimmie, Scott here. How y'all doing? I know it's been about 4 months since I talked to you, but I've still been putting out those concert videos as compilations. Hope you've been enjoying those. News in the Christina front kind of slowed down a little bit for a while there, so I didn't get on and do any reporting. But things have heated up again, as y'all know, with the foundation banquet. And I went to that banquet with Cooper and Debbie, who are also administrators in the Team Grimmie page, and I'll have a video on that coming later. Speaking of the Team Grimmie fan page on Facebook, I also became an administrator on that one a few months back. So I've been busy, and then we've had the CD come out, we've had the Lucas doll come out, and the t-shirt come out. And that's the purpose of today's video. Right here, I know some of you already gotten it and opened it up, and I was going to do that too, but I got behind and then went to the banquet the other day. So, right here.
Do not thump, it is disrespectful.
I've got a package from the Grimmies, or the Grimmie Foundation, or the Grimmie website, whatever. Ordered in here, and let's just open it up and see what we got. Let's see if we can open this up. All right. What's that?
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
I guess you're right. That wasn't a knife. This is a knife. So let's cut into this bad boy. Don't forget about knife safety. Believe it or not, I've had this knife for about 45 years now. Got it when I was about 10 or 12. All right. Woohoo! Paper. More paper. And what's this? Let's see, what is this? All right. It's the t-shirt. And let's show what's on the back here. The Christina Grimmie Forever. And all is vanity on the front. Well, let's see how this thing fits. Fits like a glove. Funny, it's almost like I knew what size to order. Yeah, I'm liking this. Soft, right size. It's a keeper. All right, next we got Lucas. Ooh, he's cute. He is cute. Hi, my name's Lucas. Oh, he's soft. Oh, cool. On the back here, on the back of his deal there, engraved, Christina Grimmie Forever. Can you see that? All right. He's got a little tail, little feet, and little arms here. And these little arms can possibly hold things. Let's take a look. Yeah, so Lucas can become an author. He can write. All right. I don't know if you remember a video Christina did, in her earlier years, probably 2010, maybe 2011, where she went to a flight museum. And remember, she went into the store and said she was going to give up singing. She was going to take up flying just because of the headgear and the goggles and everything. I didn't realize until looking at it that may have been what they had in mind.
I decided that instead of being a singer, I want to grow up and I want to be a pilot. And only because I get to wear only because only because I get to wear this awesome attire. I get to wear these awesome goggles and this awesome hat. And now I feel like I should do this instead of singing. What do you guys think?
Wearing the headgear and the goggles. It's pretty cool. Let's sit him right over here. And the last thing is the CD. Well, what's this? Packing slip. But also in the packing slip is a sticker. I won't be invisible, and the Christina Grimmie symbol. So let me show this to you. Whoop. There you go. Will it even focus that close? That's it. And here's the CD. Gonna have to get the knife out again and be very careful. Just enough to start it. And I'll put up some pictures here of all the pages in the CD here. All right. I think we've all seen this picture. Yeah. And on the back, yep, we have a listing of the tracks. And another picture we've seen. Ooh. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Hey, it's pretty cool. On the inside, oh, okay. We've got a note from Bud, Tina, and Marcus. I'm going to go ahead and read the first couple paragraphs here. First and foremost, we thank God for Jesus, who blessed our Christina with many talents, and through whom we have the hope of seeing her again. And of course, we thank Christina for all the hard work, time, and effort, working long hours, writing and recording music she left for us to share with the world. Another very important part of our motivation to accomplish this is due to the many amazing members of the Team Grimmie family. That's you guys. We have been inspired and uplifted time and time again with emails, notes, gifts, comments, and posts. So we as a family thank you one and all for your ever-present loyalty to our daughter and us. Thank you, thank you. Bud, Tina, and Marcus. I think I'll let them. Oh, okay. Oh, this is the lyric book. With some pictures. And I will scan this in and put some links down below, but we can see the picture from the voice, all the lyrics, and this also says who wrote and everything. So you can see all the lyrics, more pictures from the voice. Yeah, that's a good picture. Maybe I, Echo, Only Miss You When I Breathe, and the game. Oop. More pictures, and here's some cute ones, family ones, when Christina was little and with the family. And another good one from the voice. This is cool. So that's everything. Is that everything, Lucas? Mm-hmm. All right. let me get this back on. And as I said before, I made it out to the banquet along with Cooper and Debbie, and I'll be putting together a video, possibly 2 videos. I think it's just going to be one, kind of behind the scenes of the banquet. For those of you that couldn't go, it'd be kind of like you were there. So until next time, this is Scott signing off. Bye. Oh, he is soft. No, the dogs are not getting you. You're not a true toy for the dogs. I'm still on, aren't I? Good night, folks.
Sound of my heart beating for someone that just doesn't pay